Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the exciting world of disruptive technologies that have the power to transform industries and change lives. In today's episode, we have a lineup of 15 game-changing technologies that not only have the potential to revolutionize the way we live, but also provide lucrative opportunities for those who embrace them. So if you're ready to discover the cutting-edge innovations that can make you rich, let's dive right in. Get ready to have your mind blown, because we've got a tale that will shatter your perception of art and technology. Imagine an AI-created masterpiece stealing the spotlight at a prestigious art contest. The competition was left speechless, while artists questioned their place in a world where machines are becoming the creative prodigies. But hold on tight, because technology is a relentless force, expanding faster than our wildest imaginations. It's time to harness its power and unlock the secrets that can skyrocket you to extraordinary success. Join us as we unveil 15 disruptive technologies that will turn you into a money-making machine. Embrace the future and let's dive in together. Number 1. Artificial Intelligence. Get ready to witness your creativity soar to new heights with DALL-E, OpenAI's mind-blowing tool. And that's just the beginning. Brace yourself for an astonishing 15.7 trillion AI-driven economic boom by 2030 according to PwC. Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google, boldly claims that AI will surpass the impact of fire and electricity. We're not just talking about the incremental improvements here. We're talking about mind-boggling advancements in language processing, robotics, gene sequencing, and so much more. AI has already blown our minds by conquering chess, Go, and poker, leaving us utterly awestruck. It's even coding like a pro, making seasoned programmers break a sweat. The future holds unimaginable possibilities that are just waiting to be explored. Number 2. Web3. Cryptocurrencies have transformed ordinary individuals into overnight millionaires, and now it's your turn to join the excitement. Prepare for an exhilarating journey filled with digital fortunes and limitless creativity. Imagine CZ, the mastermind behind Binance, amassing a staggering $50 billion in under 5 years. The possibilities are truly life-changing, and here's the best part. You can create your very own currency and shape your financial destiny. Artists also benefit from this revolution, as NFTs enable direct connections between their art and the audience. It's like owning a piece of the future, right in your hands. Now let's dive into the thrilling world of Web 3.0. It's not just about the cryptocurrencies anymore. It's about owning the actual networks themselves. These crypto assets represent ownership stakes in the networks that shape our digital landscape. Web3 is already attracting governments, corporations, and financial institutions eager to ride the wave of innovation. Even tech giants like Google has partnered with Coinbase to revolutionize their solutions. But that's not all. Bitcoin was just the beginning. Welcome to the era of Web3, where mind-boggling concepts like DeFi, smart contracts, and the Metaverse take center stage. The blockchain can store anything that can be coded, bringing science fiction to life. Number 3. Internet of Things. By 2025, it's projected to reach a staggering $1.5 trillion in market value. Tech giants like Alphabet, Amazon, Cisco, IBM, Microsoft, and Oracle are already investing heavily in this game-changing concept. So, what is the IoT? It's where everyday objects become connected through the internet. Think computers, appliances, clothes, cars, anything you can imagine. These smart devices capture real-time data, transforming the way we interact with the world. Imagine your fridge automatically restocking your favorite snacks or controlling your home security system from a tropical beach. The IoT makes these possibilities a reality. But it's not just about convenience. It's about unlocking the power of data. Billions of sensors embedded in objects create a web of information, driving groundbreaking advancements, and these sensors are getting smaller, cheaper, and smarter, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The IoT isn't just a trend, it's a catalyst for the future. It fuels AI with vast amounts of data, enabling new insights, innovative solutions, and a revolution in every aspect of our lives. Number 4. Advanced robotics. Guess what? The robotics revolution is just around the corner and it's going to be mind-blowing. By the time 2025 rolls in, this industry is expected to reach an incredible value of $500 billion. Can you believe that? It's going to explode with innovation and take the world by storm. When it comes to humanoid robots, Boston Dynamics is leading the pack with their jaw-dropping creations. These robots are defying all limits and mastering parkour like true daredevils. It's like watching something out of a sci-fi movie. But wait, there's more. Elon Musk, the genius behind SpaceX and Tesla, recently unveiled a game-changer called Optimus. This humanoid companion has the potential to revolutionize our daily chores. Just imagine having a robot that can assist with tasks around the house and make our lives so much easier. And it doesn't stop there. The impact of robots can be seen in various industries such as agriculture, medicine, transportation, and retail. Picture this: precision farming that maximizes crop yield, surgeries performed with unmatched excellence by robotic assistants, self-driving cars seamlessly navigating through the roads, and super fast drone deliveries making e-commerce a breeze. Oh, and here's something truly fascinating. Humans and robots are merging in the field of bionics, leading to incredible advancements. The possibilities are endless when we combine our strengths with those of machines. Number 5. 3D printing. Get ready for a mind-blowing journey into the captivating realm of 3D printing. Unleash your creativity and witness jaw-dropping innovations that turn imagination into reality. From printing lucrative items to life-saving organs, 3D printing is revolutionizing industries. But it doesn't stop there. Enter 4D printing, where materials adapt and shapeshift. Fashion giants like Nike and Adidas are also embracing 3D printing, merging fashion with technology. Number 6. Advanced connectivity. Say goodbye to snail-paced downloads as each generation of mobile networks propels us forward. 5G takes us to lightning-fast speeds of up to 10 gigabytes per second, eliminating buffering and lag. But hold on tight, because 6G is on the horizon, promising mind-bending extended reality and lifelike holograms. Satellites like Starlink and Amazon's fleet redefine global connectivity. Cars become smarter, virtual reality reaches new heights, and surgical robots and drones perform feats of precision. It's a revolution reshaping our lives with unparalleled speed and innovation. Number 7. Cloud and edge computing. Tech titans such as Amazon, Microsoft, and Google are battling for supremacy in the digital realm. Enter edge computing, the new hero that brings lightning-fast processing right into your doorstep. But here's the twist. Edge computing joins forces with the cloud, creating a dynamic duo that unleashes unprecedented possibilities. It's a thrilling convergence of computation and innovation, reshaping how we live, work, and play in the digital landscape. Number 8. Virtual and augmented realities. Welcome to the Metaverse, a cosmic playground where anything is possible. It's a world where dreams come alive and value soars to unimaginable heights. Powered by mind-blowing technologies like VR and AR, the Metaverse transports us to fantastical realms and redefines our reality. From groundbreaking surgeries to revolutionizing logistics, the Metaverse is rewriting the rules across industries. Step into this exhilarating adventure where boundaries blur and the extraordinary becomes the norm. The Metaverse beckons, calling you to unleash your imagination and embark on a journey of a lifetime. Number 9. Quantum technology. Quantum computers are the tech world's superheroes, tackling mind-boggling problems at mind-blowing speeds. They unlock century-old mysteries, crack encryption codes with lightning-fast precision, and might even transport data across vast distances. We're on the brink of a quantum revolution where the impossible becomes routine. Number 10. Sharing platforms. Digital distributors like Airbnb and Uber have ushered in a new era of business, revolutionizing how we live, work, and play. Say goodbye to ownership and hello to accessibility. Rent luxury cars and dreamy beach houses on the fly, embracing a nomadic lifestyle with all the perks. But it doesn't stop there. The sharing economy levels the playing field, creating new income streams and redefining jobs. Monetize your skills, spaces, tools, and even excess food. Your spare room becomes a co-working space. Your expertise reaches eager learners worldwide. This collaborative revolution extends beyond goods to labor, working spaces, and expertise. Embrace a future where sharing is not only caring, but also the pathway to success and a more connected, resourceful world. Join the sharing economy and embark on an extraordinary journey to endless possibilities. Number 11. Computerized agriculture. Vertical farms, indoor farms, and floating farms are changing the game. Say goodbye to traditional soil and hello to crops grown in containers. But it gets even better. With AI and smart devices, you have total control over their growth. Fine-tune watering schedules and customize nutrient cocktails like a plant whisperer. And get ready for a flavor explosion. Technology takes crops to unprecedented levels of juiciness, aroma, and taste. Together, let's tackle world hunger, cultivate a flavorful future, and make agriculture the hero we need. Number 12. Nanotechnology. In 2022, battery-free wireless devices defied limits, traveling a kilometer in harsh conditions. Nanoparticles joined the fight against cancer, delivering targeted treatments with precision. Get ready for an incredible shrinking adventure with nanotechnology. Smart dust particles communicate, monitor health, and initiate treatments. But there's more. Self-replicating and self-assembling systems are on the horizon, revolutionizing manufacturing and construction. Nanotechnology transforms healthcare, cities, and the environment. Brace yourself for a paradigm shift where the unimaginable becomes reality. Number 13. New materials. Graphene, stronger than steel and thinner than a hair strand, is poised to revolutionize manufacturing and infrastructure. But wait, there's more. Meet borophene, a flexible powerhouse challenging graphene's supremacy. Get ready for a plastic stronger than steel, mass-produced to build resilient structures. Brace yourself for smart plastics that shapeshift and adapt, and materials that self-heal and respond to light. We're in the midst of a material revolution where innovation defies limits. Number 14. Biotechnology. In 2022, a genetically modified pig heart was transplanted into a human, an incredible fusion of technology and biology. But that's just the beginning. Gene sequencing now decodes the human genome in hours, revolutionizing our understanding of health. Imagine a DNA internet with millions of genomes, unlocking solutions for agriculture and the environment. Enter CRISPR, enabling precise gene editing to transform animals and crops. We even explore designing human beings, though ethical debates arise. These technologies hold the power to cure diseases and reshape our future. Number 15. Neurotechnology. Unleash the power of your mind with neurotechnology. Imagine controlling robotic limbs and exoskeletons using your thoughts alone, just like in a superhero movie. But that's just the beginning. Neurological implants are treating strokes, epilepsy, and even curing color blindness. People with paralysis can communicate through their thoughts. It's science fiction becoming reality. And there you have it. We've explored 15 disruptive technologies that are poised to reshape our world and unlock incredible wealth-building opportunities. From AI and blockchain to renewable energy and space exploration, the possibilities are endless. We hope this episode has inspired you to stay curious, keep an eye on these game changers, and perhaps even take bold steps towards a future filled with innovation and financial success. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Until next time, stay tuned and keep dreaming big.